Alright guys, so we've got the Mountain House granola with milk and blueberries. I think the price tag's a little bit expensive, to be honest, but you know, just for some granola. But I'm here to sample some food, so let's see how this goes. Don't eat that. I just add half a cup of water, stir thoroughly. Great. I usually boil a little bit extra because then I like to use the rest for tea or coffee. I really like this collapsible GSI bowl because I like to use that for actually cooking my dehydrated meals rather than the bags itself. I mean, I guess it is one extra item to carry, but to me, I don't really like eating out of the bags. I find it's hard to get all the food out. The contents like really stick into the corners of the bag, whereas with the GSI bowl I can just put the lid on it, let it chill there for a bit, and just eat right out of that. It's easy to clean after as well, and it doesn't weigh nothing, and it collapses down pretty small as well. Alright, so there's our oatmeal with blueberries. I think I put a little too much water in it, but that's okay. Let's give this a try. Oh wow. You can actually taste the milk. So it's like really blueberry. I don't know if you can see that there, but you actually taste the milk in it as well. So normally when I bring oatmeal into the bush, I would just bring like Quaker oats or something. You know, it's like $5 for a box. This is definitely a step above. I don't know if the price is justified. It's definitely really good, but I'd probably bring in some dried blueberries with maybe some powdered milk or condensed milk if I wanted to create the same experience. Because $5 for one pouch is quite a bit. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna finish my breakfast.